Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update product descriptions with Jasper for e-commerce. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the Jasper AI website. Log into your Jasper account. Once logged in, click on the templates option in the navigation menu. Scroll down until you find the product description template. Click on the product description template to open it. You'll see a prompt box where you can enter details about your product. Begin by typing in the product name in the designated field. Next, fill in any key features that you want to highlight. If applicable, add the target audience for the product. Select the tone of voice that best fits your brand. Jasper will generate a product description based on the information you've input. Take a moment to review the generated description. Make any necessary edits or adjustments to tailor it to your needs. Once satisfied with the description, copy the text. Navigate to your e-commerce platform's product listing page. Locate the product you want to update. Paste the new product description into the appropriate field. Double-check that everything appears correctly. Save the changes to update the product listing. Repeat these steps for any other products you wish to update. Your product descriptions are now fresh and optimized for your audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any request. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.